Hello everyone. Welcome back to Raza Cool in English. If you've recently purchased an LG Dual Inverter Air Conditioner or you've been using one for a long time but still don't understand all the buttons on the remote, then this video is exactly for you. Many people only use the power button and the temperature buttons, while ignoring the other features that can improve cooling, increase comfort, and even help reduce electricity consumption. So, in today's video, I'll explain every important button on this LG Dual Inverter AC remote in simple English with practical examples. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share some professional AC technician tips that most users don't know. Now, let's get started. Power button. Let's begin with the red power button. This button is used to turn the air conditioner on and off. Whenever you switch on the AC, it remembers the last settings you used, such as the operating mode, fan speed, and temperature. That means you don't have to set everything again every time you start the AC. If your AC doesn't start after pressing the power button, first check whether the batteries in the remote are working properly. Also make sure there is no object blocking the signal between the remote and the indoor unit. Always point the remote directly toward the indoor unit for the best response. Mode button. Now let's talk about one of the most important buttons on this remote, the mode button. By pressing the mode button, you can switch between different operating modes depending on the weather and your comfort needs. Cool mode. Cool mode is the most commonly used mode. It is designed for hot summer days. In this mode, the compressor continuously works to cool the room until the selected temperature is reached. If you want the fastest cooling, this is the mode you should use. Dry mode. The third important mode is dry mode. This mode is specially designed for humid or rainy weather. Instead of focusing on maximum cooling, it removes excess moisture from the air. As humidity decreases, the room feels cooler and much more comfortable. Many people think their AC isn't cooling properly during the rainy season, but in reality, they are simply using the wrong mode. Using dry mode during humid weather provides better comfort while also helping save energy. Fan mode. Next is fan mode. In fan mode, only the indoor fan operates, the compressor remains off, so the AC does not produce cooling. This mode is useful when the weather is already pleasant and you only need air circulation. Since the compressor is off, electricity consumption is much lower than in cool mode. Let's start with the horizontal swing button. When you press this button, the AC louvers move from left to right automatically. This helps distribute cool air evenly across the entire room instead of blowing air in just one direction. For example, if you're sitting on one side of the room and another person is sitting on the opposite side, horizontal swing ensures that both of you receive comfortable cooling. If you want the airflow to stay in one fixed direction, simply press the button again when the louvers reach your preferred position. Next is the vertical swing button. This feature moves the airflow up and down automatically. Instead of sending cold air directly toward one area, it spreads the cooling evenly throughout the room. During summer, using both horizontal swing and vertical swing together provides the best cooling performance because the air circulates more efficiently. If you prefer the airflow to remain fixed at a certain angle, press the button again to stop the louver at your desired position. Now let's talk about one of the most comfortable features on this remote, comfort air. Many people don't like cold air blowing directly onto their face or body, especially while sleeping or working. That's exactly why LG introduced this feature. When you activate comfort air, the AC automatically adjusts the airflow direction so that cool air is distributed gently around the room instead of blowing directly on you. This provides a softer, more natural cooling experience and reduces the uncomfortable feeling caused by direct cold airflow. If you have children or elderly family members at home, this feature can make the room much more comfortable. Fan speed button. Now let's look at the fan speed button. This button allows you to control how fast the indoor fan blows air. Different fan speeds are useful in different situations. Auto. In auto mode, the AC automatically adjusts the fan speed according to the room temperature. This is a convenient option because the AC does the work for you. Super high. Super high delivers the strongest airflow. Use this setting when you first enter a hot room and want rapid cooling. High speed also provides powerful cooling and is suitable for very hot afternoons. Medium speed is perfect for daily use. It offers a good balance between cooling performance and quiet operation. Low speed produces gentle airflow. It's ideal when the room is already cool and you simply want to maintain the temperature. Silent mode. Silent mode is one of my favorite features. The indoor fan runs very quietly, making it perfect for sleeping, studying, or working. If you're sensitive to noise at night, silent mode is an excellent choice. Next are the temperature increase and decrease buttons. These buttons allow you to select your desired room temperature. Many people believe that setting the AC to 16 degrees Celsius cools the room much faster. Actually, that's a common misconception. The compressor already runs at maximum capacity until the room reaches the selected temperature. Setting an extremely low temperature only makes the AC run longer, which may increase electricity consumption. For most homes, 22 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius provides fast, comfortable cooling. If your main goal is to save electricity, 24 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius is usually the best choice while still keeping the room comfortable. Now let's look at the Virat button. When you press the Virat button, HC Himalaya Cool mode is activated. Virat is designed for extremely hot weather. In this mode, the AC automatically optimizes its performance to deliver faster and more powerful cooling. If you come home after spending time outside on a very hot afternoon, simply press the Virat button. The AC will cool the room much faster than it does in normal cooling mode. Once the room reaches a comfortable temperature, you can switch back to your regular cooling settings to help save electricity. Next is the diet button. This is one of the most useful features if you want to reduce your electricity bill. Pressing the diet button activates DC mode. In this mode, the AC limits its power consumption while still providing comfortable cooling. This feature is ideal when only 1 or 2 people are in the room or when the outdoor temperature isn't extremely high. Instead of running at full power all the time, the AC intelligently controls its cooling capacity to use less electricity. Now let's talk about one of LG's smartest features, the 6-in-1 convertible mode. This feature allows you to adjust the AC's cooling capacity according to your cooling needs while helping save electricity. AC mode, 100% capacity. When you select AC mode, the air conditioner operates at 100% cooling capacity. This mode delivers the fastest and most powerful cooling, making it ideal for extremely hot summer days or when you want to cool the room quickly. 80% mode, the AC provides strong cooling while consuming less electricity than the full capacity mode. It's perfect for normal daytime use when full power isn't required. 60% mode is an excellent choice for daily use. It offers comfortable cooling while improving energy efficiency, making it ideal for moderate weather conditions. 40% mode uses the least amount of power while still maintaining comfortable cooling. It's best for nighttime use, mild weather, or when only 1 or 2 people are in the room. Now let's talk about the sleep mode feature. Sleep mode is specially designed to provide a more comfortable sleeping experience while also helping save electricity. When you activate sleep mode, the AC automatically adjusts the temperature during the night. This prevents the room from becoming too cold, keeps you comfortable while sleeping, and reduces unnecessary power consumption. You can set the sleep timer from 1 hour up to 12 hours, depending on how long you want the AC to operate in sleep mode. For example, if you want the AC to run in sleep mode for 5 hours, simply press the sleep button and set the timer to 5 hours. The AC will automatically operate in sleep mode for the next 5 hours, and once the selected time is over, it will turn off automatically. This feature is perfect for nighttime use because it provides comfortable cooling, improves sleep, and helps reduce your electricity bill. Now let's look at the timer on function. The timer on feature allows you to schedule your air conditioner to turn on automatically at a specific time. You can set the timer from 1 hour up to 24 hours, depending on when you want the AC to start. For example, if you want your AC to turn on 2 hours later, simply press the timer on button and set the timer to 2 hours. After 2 hours, the AC will automatically turn on with the last settings you used. This feature is very useful when you want your room to be cool before you arrive home or before you wake up, without leaving the AC running all the time. It provides convenience while also helping you use your air conditioner more efficiently. Now let's talk about the timer off function. The timer off feature allows you to schedule your air conditioner to turn off automatically after a selected period of time. You can set the timer from 1 hour up to 24 hours, depending on how long you want the AC to keep running. For example, if you want your AC to turn off after 10 hours, simply press the timer off button and set the timer to 10 hours. The AC will continue running normally and will automatically switch off once the selected time is completed. This feature is especially useful at night or when you're leaving home. It prevents the AC from running unnecessarily, helps save electricity, and gives you peace of mind without having to turn it off manually. Timer cancel. If you want to cancel the timer on or timer off setting, simply press the respective timer button and set the time to 0. Once the timer is set to 0, the timer on or timer off function will be cancelled, and the AC will no longer follow the previously scheduled timer. Now, let me show you one of the hidden features of this LG AC remote, the HIM Clean function. To activate HIM Clean, simply press and hold the vertical swing button for about 3 seconds. Once activated, the AC starts the HIM Clean function. This feature helps remove moisture from the indoor evaporator coil and dries the inside of the unit. By reducing moisture, it helps prevent bad odors, mold, and bacteria buildup, keeping the AC cleaner and maintaining better cooling performance. For the best results, use the HIM Clean function regularly, especially during the rainy season or after long hours of AC operation. Now, let me show you another hidden feature of this LG AC remote, the Auto Clean function. To activate Auto Clean, simply press and hold the Comfort Air button for about 3 seconds. Once the Auto Clean function is activated, the indoor fan continues to run for a few minutes after you turn off the air conditioner. This helps dry the indoor evaporator coil by removing any remaining moisture. As a result, it helps prevent bad odors, mold, and bacteria buildup inside the indoor unit, keeping your AC cleaner and maintaining better cooling performance. Now, let me show you another hidden feature of this LG AC remote, the room temperature display. To check the current room temperature, press and hold the horizontal swing button for about 3 seconds. the indoor unit will display the current room temperature, allowing you to see the actual temperature inside your room. This feature helps you understand whether the room has reached a comfortable temperature, so you can adjust the AC settings if needed. Now, let me show you another hidden feature of this LG AC remote, the light function. To turn the display light on or off, simply press and hold the Virat button for about 3 seconds. This feature controls the display light on the indoor unit. If the display light feels too bright while you're sleeping, you can turn it off for a darker and more comfortable room. Whenever you want the display back, simply press and hold the Virat button again for 3 seconds. Now, let me show you another hidden feature of this LG AC remote, the mute function. To turn the mute function on or off, simply press and hold the diode button for about 3 seconds. When mute mode is activated, the indoor unit stops making beep sounds whenever you press a button on the remote. This is especially useful at night when everyone is sleeping, as you can change the AC settings without disturbing anyone. If you want to hear the beep sounds again, simply press and hold the diode button for 3 seconds once more to turn mute mode off. Now, let me show you one more hidden feature of this LG AC remote, the child lock function. To activate or deactivate child lock, simply press and hold the 6i and 1 button for about 3 seconds. Once child lock is activated, the remote controls are locked, preventing accidental changes to the AC settings. This feature is especially useful if you have children at home who may press the buttons by mistake. To unlock the remote, simply press and hold the 6i and 1 button again for 3 seconds. The child lock will be turned off, and you can use the remote normally.